Whether or not with meteorologist Joe Bastardi. Good morning, everyone. I'm in a hotel room. Okay, so the guinea pigs aren't here. I can't bring the guinea pigs on the road. I know I get comments saying, "Could you just please put the pictures of the guinea pigs on, or whatever." I don't have them with me today. All right, but what we do have is this Bay of Bengal cyclone that's going to be heading northeastward, and it's hitting an area that's 200,000, a town of 200,000 people. Probably want to be referred to as a city, that is going after. And I still think this has a chance to reach Category 4. Now, as far as our feature that is in the Bahamas, that is an interesting looking feature. And I'm trying to figure out where I put it. Let me see if I can show you here. Hold on just a second. I know I put it on this someplace, but the way I do things is I forget I have my head screwed on sometimes. Okay, there it is, all right? The low center is in here. There's Florida back up in here. And this is going to propagate through the Bahamas today with strong winds, wind gusts at 30, 40, 50 miles an hour on those Atlantic-facing islands. What we're seeing, though, is, and what I do believe will happen is, it'll come in and then go back out again. And it's kind of puzzling to me because this is over water that's over 26 Celsius. And I've seen systems identified in the Atlantic, and I'm not saying you should upgrade this to a tropical storm. I'm saying that it is a feature that should be watched. All right, you know how they put those magic X's on the forecast maps there, the Hurricane Center. That's their business. Of course, here's Fight Club between summer in the southeast and winter up in here, and it's just a war zone in there. Oh, there's the picture. I knew it would be here someplace. All right, so. I had them out of order. All right, and the reason why we have Fight Club is this cold versus this warm, and when you get that kind of signature, look out in between. Yesterday, for instance, we had 29 tornadoes. Today we may have 1 to 2 dozen, primarily in Texas. Tomorrow it sort of weakens, and then you see Friday, well, that's not that big a deal. But then Saturday and Sunday, another feature comes across, loads back up again. There'll be a big outbreak in the center part of the United States next week. So this is really turning into something. Tornadoes yesterday, as you can see, we had close to 30 tornadoes in here. So this is for real. Believe me, when you get it cold here and you get it warm here in May, you're asking for trouble. And we have an active southern stream that's going to be coming across. That southern stream is no dream. It's for real. And it leads to this kind of deal. And that's the way I feel. And now I have to go because I'm hungry and I need to get a meal. You're not going to get these jokes on the Weather Channel, folks. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.